Have you ever noticed that some nude nails look expensive while others just look plain? The difference usually isn't the products, it's a few small design choices. Here's how I turned this simple nude manicure into one that looks much more luxurious. The first thing I notice on expensive looking nails isn't the design, it's the shape. Even the prettiest nail art won't look luxurious if the shape feels uneven or bulky. Luxury nails usually have clean sidewalls, balanced proportion, and a shape that's consistent across every finger. Before I even think about nail art, I always make sure the foundation looks right. The next thing is the structure. Expensive nails usually don't look thick, they look light, refined, and almost effortless. That doesn't mean making them paper thin, it means placing the structure where it actually needs to be instead of adding unnecessary bulk. If you want a deeper breakdown on that, I have an entire video about creating thin, natural looking nails. I'll link to that in the description below. Now, let's talk about the nude itself. Not every nude creates the same effect. For this set, I chose a Siesta because its soft, milky finish creates a clean, elegant base without competing with the details I'm adding later. One thing I've noticed about a lot of luxury nude nails is that they usually have a softer, creamy finish. They don't look harsh or overly bright. That softer look gives the nails a cleaner, more elegant appearance before you even add the design. Now comes the design. One thing I've noticed is that expensive looking nails don't usually try to do everything at once. Instead of adding lots of different details, they focus on one feature and let it stand out. For this set, I'm only adding one soft white curve to each nail. It's simple, but it gives the design just enough interest without taking attention away from the nude. Another thing you'll notice is that I haven't filled every part of the nail. Leaving some of the nude visible helps the design feel lighter instead of crowded. That little bit of negative space gives the manicure a clearer, more sophisticated look. Sometimes what you leave out is just as important as what you add. Now it's time for the finishing touch. Instead of covering the nail with glitter, I'm only adding a thin line around the cuticle. I like to think of it as jewelry for the nail. It's there to catch the light, not compete with the design. Sometimes the smallest detail is what makes the biggest difference. Also, don't forget the cuticles. You can have a beautiful color, a gorgeous design, and the perfect shape, but messy cuticles can take away from all of it. Clean edges make the entire manicure look more intentional, and that's one of the easiest ways to create a more polished, luxury finish. The last thing I always pay attention to is the finish. A glossy top coat makes every detail underneath look cleaner and more refined. I even like to top coat the underside of my nails. It's a small detail, but it helps the entire manicure look cleaner and more finished. A beautiful design can catch someone's attention, but a beautiful finish is what makes it look expensive. Also, taking a moment to clean up the little details makes the entire manicure look much more intentional. When you put all of those small details together, you end up with a manicure that feels intentional from every angle. It isn't about buying more products or creating complicated nail art. It's about choosing the right nude, keeping the structure refined, placing each detail with intention, and knowing when to stop. Because sometimes the most expensive looking nails are also the simplest.